Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2021 GMC Sierra. The Sierra is featured in a gray paint finish and is the elevation trim. It includes features such as our 3-liter DURAMAX turbo diesel engine, heated front cloth bucket seats, a HD backup camera with adaptive guidelines and hitch assist. We have black assist step, black alloy wheels, a spray-on bed liner, power tailgate, as well as much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks. Below we have our power mirrors, as well as power windows and rear window lock, storage in the bottom of the door, as well as our Bose speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, if we turn our knob left, we have our tow mode as well as sport mode, transfer case settings below, as well as downhill assist. Then we have our lighting controls, high beam bed lighting, fog lamps, as well as our display cluster lighting and exterior lighting, electronic park brake, powered settings down our driver's seat, which we can see finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. In the center, we have a digital information system. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise on the outside, as well as our heated steering wheel. Right-hand side, we have our hands-free, as well as our voice recognition. Controls for our display cluster information system in the center. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. If we go into our audio, you can see we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth connections. Home button in the bottom left or below. Have a Bluetooth phone connection, available Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, trailering assists. Also have apps, OnStar, climate, our HD backup camera with adaptive guidelines, hitch guidelines, and our hitch view. Sirius XM and My GMC. Volume button on the left-hand side, seek buttons in the center, home, back, as well as our menu button. Push to start ignition down and to the left. Dual zone climate control with our front and rear defrost, as well as AC, fan controls in the center. Heated driver's seat back and seat cushion, or just the seat back, as well as the same for the passenger side. Across the bottom, auto stop start, power tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, and a way to turn on the 120 volt plugs. Integrated trailer brake controller on the left, USB-C, USB, 12 volt, and a 120 volt plug across the bottom. We have some storage as well as our 2 cup holders. Have the key in the front storage space, locks and unlocks at the top, remote start, power tailgate, and our alarm system. Center console, some storage up top, button on the front to open it. Inside we can see we have deep storage, SD slot, USB-C, USB, and an aux input. Passenger seat we can see also finished in our jet black cloth and heated for the passenger. Lastly, moving above the rear view mirror, in the front we have our OnStar rear check reminder, dome lighting controls. You can also press the dome lights to turn them on. Power sliding third rear window, as well as our universal garage door opener at the front. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we can see we have a black alloy rim with our GMC center cap, as well as our all-terrain tire. Moving out, we have black cap mirrors, chrome finish door handles, as well as a black assist step. Back of the vehicle, we have our corner bumper steps. Moving all the way around to the back, we have our GMC badging in red, Sierra and elevation badging in chrome, trailer tow hitch with our connections at the bottom, backup camera on the left-hand side of our power tailgate. In the bed of the truck, we have our in-bed lighting, a 120 volt plug, as well as cable tie downs in the front and the back. Lastly, we have our spray-on bed liner. Moving into the back of the vehicle, you can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window controls, as well as some storage and our Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have storage pockets in the back of the driver's seat, as well as the back of the passenger seat. Between the 2 seats, we have cup holders with some storage, 2 air vents for the back of the vehicle, USB-C, USB, and a 12 volt plug for charging. Moving to the seats in the second row, we can see they are finished in our jet black cloth and a 60/40 fold-up bench. Moving into the center seat, we have a foldable center console with 2 cup holders and some storage. Power sliding third rear window. The outboard seats, we have our storage package with in-seat storage. Lastly, if we lift up on the bottom of our seats, we can fold them up, as well as having storage space underneath. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2021 GMC Sierra. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.